Another thing to be aware of is the unit setup, and I usually have mine on metric and millimeters, and this will just make sure that everything we create is created to a real world scale. Now let's take a look at how we can bring an image in as a reference plane. So this is from an exterior course, and we can see down here that the size of it is 2000 by 1088. So let's type that in, 2000 1188. So now we have the correct dimensions, and I'm just going to drag and drop that onto our object, and now we can see that that's come in. And you can press F4 to hide the wireframe and G to hide the grid. And with move selected, I'm just going to right click on each of these dialogues, and now you can see that that's now center. So if I go to the top view, this is now in the middle of our scene. If you can't see your texture on here, you can hit M on the keyboard or click up here to open the material editor. Use the pick material from object, click here, and you want to show shaded material in viewport. And if it's showing and it's quite blurry, you can also go to the plus sign up here, configure viewports. You can turn up this quality, and you can also change the texture maps to 2048 and hit apply, and that should make everything basic quality.